Syed Omair, and I am working in an IT field. As a business introduction, I belong to a Tekla city, village Gadiawana. I have been completing my all schooling education at home. I want to give my all extensive knowledge, all people around me, and that I am a various speaker that I can visit across the country and show motivate people and show them how you will stay happy in life even you are disabled or whatever problems you have.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch.
My simple message to everyone watching, listening, or reading me. Do not park your car. Keep moving on and bring change in your life. And there is a mechanical code. If you stop the engine, you will lost the engine. We are not meant to stop because of life not stop for you. So keep moving on and bring change in your life. Be alive and live forever.